pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
hot cross buns. For this you will need 1 pound of self-rising flour, preferably Biro, best flour in the world. 1 teaspoonful of salt, 1 teaspoonful of mixed spice, 2 ounces of Trex, Crisco or lard, 3 ounces of sugar, 3 ounces of currants, 2 ounces of mixed peel, 1 egg, and 1/4 to 1/2 pint of water. You don't want the dough too runny. Mix the salt and spice in a mixing bowl. Rubbing the Trex Crisco lard into the flour. Beat the egg. Stir in the sugar. Currants. And the peel. Make into a soft dough with the egg, saving some of the egg for brushing the tops, and the water. A little more water, so 1/4 pint. Divide into 12 portions, about 3 ounces each. Using well floured hands, roll them into bun shapes. And put them on a floured board because they stick. Place them on a well greased baking sheet. Make a deep right angled cut in them with a knife. This is the traditional method of making the cross in hot cross buns, not the modern pastry method. I'll be cross if I get this wrong. Now brush the tops with the beaten egg you saved. A nice glaze. Bake for 15 minutes at gas mark 7 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 200 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. I've warmed up this hot cross bun so it's hot, so I'll try it. Oh, that's very yummy. I give it an 18 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.